For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
India's COVID-19 trajectory continues to move upwards and on expected lines. India's COVID tally has crossed a grim milestone of 26 lakh cases. As of Monday, the total number of cases in the country stands at 26,47,664. The country registered a fresh spell of 57,982 cases. The death toll in the country stands at 50,921 and 941 fresh deaths due to COVID-19 were reported in the last 24 hours. The active cases in the country are at 6,76,900 while 19,19,843 have been discharged. India's recovery rate stands at 67.98% as of Monday morning. As per the data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, active cases in the country stand at 6,76,900. However, in what comes as a breather, the country's recoveries are almost 3 times more than the active cases. The recoveries stand at 19,19,843. With 941 more deaths in the last 24 hours, India's death toll has reached 50,921. The total number of cases as of Monday stands at 26,47,664. India added over 50,000 fresh cases in its tally as it entered the 147th day of the lockdown. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh contribute the most to India's COVID tally. The highly contagious disease is also spreading like a wildfire in states like Karnataka, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. 5 worst affected states due to COVID-19 are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. Maharashtra continues to remain at the top when it comes to the worst affected states. The state has 5,95,865 total cases, while 20,037 people have lost their lives due to the pandemic so far. The active cases in the state are at 1,58,705, while the recoveries are at 4,17,123. Tamil Nadu is at the second spot when it comes to the worst affected states. The state has 54,019 active cases, while 5,766 people have lost their lives. The recoveries are at 2,78,270. The total number of cases in Tamil Nadu stands at 3,38,055. Andhra Pradesh has a total of 2,89,829 confirmed cases. So far, 2,650 people have succumbed to the deadly virus in the state. The recoveries in the state stand at 2,01,234 and the active cases are at 85,945. Karnataka's COVID-19 tally stands at 2,26,966. The active cases are at 81,528, while the recoveries are at 1,41,491. The death toll stands at 3,947. Uttar Pradesh has a total of 1,54,418 cases. The active cases are at 51,537 and the recoveries are at 1,432. 2,449 people have succumbed to COVID-19 so far in the state. As per the Indian Council of Medical Research, a total of 3,41,400 samples were tested up to August 16th, out of which 7,31,697 samples were tested on August 16th.